Mahindra will be launching the Marazzo in India on September 3, 2018, and dealers have already begun taking bookings for a token amount of 10,000 rupees. However, the Marazzo will be available for test drives at dealerships only post the launch. The estimated pricing for the Marazzo will be between 14 lakh rupees to 18 lakh rupees. The design of the Marazzo is inspired by a shark, and in fact, the name too is based on one. It will be a feature-rich MPV and will have seating for 7 to 8 people. For the time being, the Marazzo will be launched only with a 1.5-litre diesel engine, but the power and torque figures are still unknown. Buying a car or two-wheeler is set to become expensive from September 1, 2018, as long-term third-party insurance policy has been made mandatory by the Insurance Development Regulatory Authority of India following a Supreme Court order. As per the court order, it is mandatory for all general insurance companies to issue a 3-year third-party insurance cover for new cars and 5-year third-party insurance cover for new two-wheelers as a separate product or as part of a comprehensive insurance product. The 3-year third-party insurance will cost 5,286 rupees for cars with engine capacity of less than 1000 cc. For cars having displacement between 1000 and 1500 cc, the cost will be 9,534 rupees. And for cars having an engine bigger than 1500 cc, the cost of third-party insurance will be 24,305 rupees. In case of two-wheelers, the 5-year third-party insurance will cost 1,045 rupees for vehicles with engine capacity below 75 cc. For those with displacement between 75 cc and 150 cc, the cost will be 3,285 rupees. For two-wheelers between 150 cc to 350 cc, the third-party insurance cost will be 5,435 rupees. And finally, all two-wheelers with displacement more than 350 cc, the third-party insurance cost will be 13,000 rupees. The much talked about Royal Enfield 650 twins, that is the Continental GT 650 and the Interceptor 650, will be launched globally in September 2018. The bikes were first showcased at the 2017 EICMA motorcycle show and are the first ever parallel twin models from Royal Enfield. This also marks the first time that Royal Enfield has gone past the 535cc mark on production motorcycles. The engine pumps out 47 brake horsepower and 52 Nm of peak torque. Both the 650cc bikes will also have ABS as standard fitment. We expect the Continental GT 650 and the Interceptor 650 to launch in India sometime in November 2018, coinciding with the festive season. Maruti Suzuki is the largest seller of automatic cars in India, with popular models like the new Swift, Desire, and even the subcompact Vitara Brezza SUV getting an automated manual transmission. Urban buyers are lapping them up by the thousands. Maruti Suzuki has revealed that since the introduction of the AMT, or as Maruti Suzuki calls it, auto gear shift, the company has sold 360,000 cars in India with this gearbox. AMT cars contribute to nearly 20% of all sales for Maruti Suzuki for models that offer the option, of course. The AMT gearbox is available on both petrol and diesel models.
If you like that video, you've got to subscribe to our channel. We keep things nice and simple and yet very comprehensive just for you.